Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this update on Solana. Haven't covered it in a while, also was on holiday last week, so it was also not that possible. But in this video we'll do a full update again. We got a lot of bullish momentum, as most of you know, ever since Thursday. So we'll talk about that. It looked a little bit manipulated at that point of time, but to be fair with you, I haven't researched that enough, so I will not go on too much about that. I do think first of all, if you just take a look at the technicals, it does look quite manipulated, especially with the volatility here, even though that was also because of the Bitcoin ETF news. But yeah, in this video, we'll not focus on that too much. We'll more so focus on the technicals right now, which I think are pretty clear as well. So we'll focus on that. We'll just do a full update on the technicals, and we'll start off with some fundamentals, as I always think that's very important to know about. Now, before we get into the entire analysis altogether, if you want to receive daily trading signals, including on Solana, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But down to Solana. So first of all, Solana has actually been holding up fairly well in terms of network statistics. So the total value locked, for example, has been growing quite a bit. Now that also has to do with the price going up, but that doesn't matter that much. Daily active addresses and daily transactions have also been fine and relatively high if you compare to the last 3 months. Now, if we take a look at the price of Solana, what you'll see is that at this point of time, we're actually at a pretty crucial moment. So first of all, we are in this upwards channel. It's a bit of a weird channel because here we actually spiked above the channel quite a bit. But technically it's 100% valid. It really is. Like if you have these two bottoms and you only have one top, it's technically already valid. And we are also respecting it quite a bit, even though there's also resistance here at 19.25. Doesn't matter. So now the big question is that if you zoom out to the daily time frame, not the weekly time frame, then you can also see that we have this bearish momentum pushing us down, which the strongest level there is $20. Big psychological resistance level, amazing trend line third touch, 382 fib of this move down, which isn't as relevant anymore, but it's still relevant. So we got that resistance. While we are on the short term, we're still very bullish. Like I said, we're in an upwards going channel. We broke above this level right here around 18.5 and the area around that, broke above that. So now the big question is can we break above $20 or not? And to be fair, I am not too sure about that. We'll get some selling pressure from Celsius in next month. It's not that much though. I mean, if you take a look at Solana, it's only like $2 million worth of it. So I don't think that's going to matter at all, to be honest. But altogether, it's like the question is this bullish momentum actually strong to break out above that massive of a resistance level? At this point of time, I would say yes. I think it's likely though that we will actually consolidate a bit here, so that we'll find some more resistance at $20, and that will consolidate between 18.5 and $20. And then when Bitcoin gets more bullish momentum, which is something I do expect, that then we will actually be able to break above $20. That would be an amazing long trade if you can get a bullish break retest off of that. And then my price target is first of all at around 21.7, but that's a relatively conservative price target after a bullish breakout like that, to be fair, or to be honest. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with having a conservative price target at first, because I will update you on that when we get there. So at this point of time, I think this is the most likely scenario. I think it's in line with the technicals. I think it's in line with the fundamentals of the crypto market. And yeah, that's why I think it. But I'll keep you updated on that as always. For now, thank you for watching and listening. Have a great Sunday and bye.